In this video, I want to talk about parallelism. That's another approach to optimize performance in Ansible. So what is the thing? Well, the thing is, in playbook execution, the first task in a play is executed on all managed hosts before moving over to the next task. And by default, this happens on 5 hosts simultaneously. This is kind of limited, but there's a reason behind it. And the reason is that task execution creates workload, as well as network load. And if the capacity of your control host or of your network is limited, or the amount of work to do is very high, your host might easily get saturated, and you will face timeouts, and then playbook execution is going to fail. But if the control host as well as the network can handle it, you can increase the number of concurrent tasks. In order to do so, you use forks equals number or minus f nn, where forks equals number is what you can put in your ansible.cfg or in your playbook, and minus fnn is what you can put on the command line. The number of forks determines the number of hosts that is processed in parallel, and the higher you put this number, the better it is going to perform, as long as your host is able to deal with the increased workload. So do be careful increasing this parameter. Also, if processing is happening on a control node, which is a default situation if you are managing network devices with Ansible. While managing network devices with Ansible, the maximum of 5 simultaneous hosts might just be a good setting. Now, I would advise not just to change parallelism, but also to use a callback plugin. We are going to cover callback plugins in lesson 11, because you can use callback plugins to measure the impact of increasing the number of forks. And then you really know if this is an improvement to performance or not.